From doubters to fans, there are 7 ways 2026 Kia Telluride turns Kia haters into believers. The new generation is around the corner, and it fixes those few remaining issues that the already excellent outgoing generation had. With these improvements, there is no room for any major criticism, and we are definitely looking at the future class leader. Let's start the countdown. Number 7. Bold exterior design finally wins over critics. For years, styling has been the Achilles heel that kept potential buyers away from the Telluride, despite its excellent value proposition. The current generation's polarizing design language divided opinions, with some finding it too conservative while others considered certain elements awkward. That controversy ends with the 2026 model. The upcoming Telluride is embracing a dramatically bolder aesthetic that draws inspiration from Kia's revolutionary EV9. Spy photos reveal a more angular, upright stance that projects confidence without appearing overly aggressive. The front fascia features wider proportions with a prominent grille that integrates seamlessly with redesigned headlight clusters. These new vertical LED elements create an unmistakable light signature that makes the Telluride instantly recognizable day or night. What's particularly impressive is how Kia has managed to make the design more sophisticated while maintaining the rugged character that appeals to adventure-oriented families. The side profile showcases cleaner lines and more pronounced wheel arches that can accommodate larger wheels. Flush door handles borrowed from the EV9 add a premium touch typically reserved for luxury vehicles. The rear receives equal attention with connected LED taillights spanning the full width of the vehicle. This creates a modern, tech-forward appearance that rivals offerings from premium brands. Multiple trim levels will offer distinct personalities, with X-Pro variants featuring exclusive design elements like matte finishes and blacked-out accents that emphasize their off-road capabilities. Number 6. Revolutionary hybrid. Another complaint about the current Telluride has always been fuel economy. With the V6 engine delivering modest efficiency numbers that disappointed budget-conscious families, that weakness becomes the 2026 model's greatest strength with the introduction of Kia's most advanced hybrid system. The new hybrid combines a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with sophisticated electric motors to produce approximately 329 horsepower. This represents a significant power increase over the current V6, while delivering dramatically improved efficiency. Early estimates suggest the hybrid will achieve around 30 miles per gallon combined, a massive improvement over the current model's 21 to 23 miles per gallon ratings. What makes this system particularly appealing is how it addresses multiple concerns simultaneously. The electric motor provides instant torque delivery that improves low-speed responsiveness, making city driving more engaging. Highway performance benefits from the combined power output, while the electric assistance reduces strain on the gasoline engine during demanding situations. The hybrid system is being engineered specifically for the Telluride's family-oriented mission. Battery placement won't compromise interior space or ground clearance, ensuring the electrified model maintains full capability. Towing capacity actually increases thanks to the electric motor's additional torque, potentially reaching 6,000 pounds compared to the current model's 5,000-pound rating. For families concerned about long-term operating costs, the hybrid offers compelling economics. With an estimated driving range exceeding 600 miles per tank, road trips become more enjoyable with fewer fuel stops required. The combination of superior performance and efficiency addresses the 2 biggest criticisms of the current powertrain. Number 5. Improved cabin space. One area where the current Telluride already excels is interior space, but the 2026 model takes this advantage even further. Kia has stretched the wheelbase and optimized the packaging to create additional room throughout the cabin. This translates to meaningful improvements in passenger comfort, particularly in the often cramped third row. The third row gains over an inch of legroom, transforming it from occasional use seating to a genuinely comfortable space for adult passengers. This improvement addresses one of the few weaknesses of the current model, where third row passengers often felt squeezed during longer journeys. The additional space makes the Telluride a viable option for families who regularly carry 7 or 8 passengers. Second row improvements are equally impressive, with redesigned seats offering better support and increased adjustment range. Both 7 and 8 passenger configurations will be available, with 7-seat layouts featuring premium captain's chairs that can be equipped with heating and ventilation on higher trim levels. The increased track travel makes third row access significantly easier, addressing another common complaint. Cargo capacity benefits from the more efficient packaging and slightly larger external dimensions. Even with all 3 rows in use, the 2026 Telluride offers more usable storage space than its predecessor. Smart underfloor compartments provide secure storage for valuable items, while the more vertical rear design maximizes loading efficiency. Number 4. New tech features. Technology has always been a Kia strength, but the 2026 Telluride introduces features that were unimaginable just a few years ago. The centerpiece is a panoramic display system that combines digital instrumentation with infotainment functionality under a single curved glass panel. This 30-inch display setup rivals offerings from luxury brands while maintaining intuitive operation. The infotainment system features Kia's latest CCNC platform with wireless smartphone integration and enhanced processing power. Response times are dramatically faster than the current system, while graphics quality approaches smartphone-level clarity. Natural language voice commands understand conversational requests, eliminating the need to learn specific command structures. Connectivity improvements include faster USB-C ports throughout the cabin and over-the-air update capability that allows the vehicle to gain new features over time. The Digital Key 2 system works with all major smartphone brands and smartwatches, potentially eliminating the need for traditional keys entirely. Number 3. Interior quality rivals luxury brands. While the current Telluride already offers impressive interior quality for its price point, the 2026 model elevates the experience to near luxury levels. Material quality takes a significant step forward with extensive use of soft-touch surfaces, genuine leather, and real wood trim elements. The attention to detail rivals European luxury brands, with precision stitching and tight panel gaps throughout the cabin. The dashboard design represents a complete departure from the current model, featuring a cleaner, more horizontal layout that creates a sense of spaciousness. The panoramic display integrates seamlessly into the flowing design, avoiding the aftermarket appearance that plagues many competitors' screen installations. Ambient lighting systems offer 64 color options that can transform the cabin atmosphere while serving functional purposes. The lighting integrates with vehicle systems to provide visual cues for navigation directions and safety warnings. Premium audio comes courtesy of an available 14-speaker Harman Kardon system with active noise cancellation that adapts to different road surfaces. Storage solutions receive thoughtful attention throughout the cabin, with a larger center console featuring configurable dividers and expanded door pockets that accommodate modern device sizes. The cargo area includes smart organizational features and a hands-free power liftgate with adjustable height settings. Even base trim levels feature materials and finishes that would be considered premium in many competitors. Number 2. Proven V6 engine remains available. In an era where manufacturers are rapidly downsizing engines and adding forced induction, many SUV buyers feel abandoned by the industry's direction. The 2026 Telluride addresses this concern by retaining the smooth, naturally aspirated V6 engine that current owners appreciate. This decision acknowledges that not every buyer wants the complexity and potential reliability concerns associated with turbocharged powertrains. The 3.8-liter V6 receives meaningful updates for the new generation, including revised direct injection technology and variable valve timing that increase output to 295 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. More importantly, the engine pairs with an all-new 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers smoother shifts and improved fuel economy compared to the current 8-speed unit. This powertrain combination addresses the primary weakness of the current V6, fuel efficiency, while maintaining the characteristics that owners value. The naturally aspirated engine provides linear power delivery without the lag or complexity associated with turbocharging. Maintenance requirements remain straightforward, and long-term reliability should match the excellent track record of the current engine. Multiple drive modes optimize performance for different conditions, with all-wheel drive models gaining terrain-specific settings for various surfaces. The suspension system receives updates that improve both ride quality and handling precision, creating a more engaging driving experience without sacrificing the comfort that families prioritize. Number 1. Exceptional value proposition remains intact. Perhaps most impressive of all is Kia's commitment to maintaining competitive pricing despite the extensive improvements. While other manufacturers use redesigns as opportunities for significant price increases, the 2026 Telluride will start at approximately $37,000, only a modest increase over the current model when accounting for added features and inflation. Mid-range trim levels will be positioned around $40,000 to $43,000, maintaining the value advantage that has made the Telluride so successful. Even the new hybrid variants will be competitively priced, with base hybrid models starting around $42,000, thousands less than comparable electrified competitors from luxury brands. The range-topping X Pro Hybrid will approach $55,000, but will include features and capabilities that justify comparison with vehicles costing significantly more. This pricing strategy reflects Kia's understanding that value remains the primary consideration for most three-row SUV buyers. The brand's generous warranty coverage continues to provide additional peace of mind that competitors can't match. The 2026 Kia Telluride doesn't just address the criticisms that kept some buyers away. It transforms every perceived weakness into a competitive advantage. With its bold new design, revolutionary hybrid powertrain, class-leading space, cutting-edge technology, luxury-grade interior, proven V6 option, and exceptional value, this redesigned SUV is positioned to turn even the most dedicated Kia skeptics into believers. But despite all the improvements, things won't be easy, as rivals are shaping up for the next year as well. Check out this video about the 2026 Honda Pilot, which you can now see on the screen. Honda's three-row SUV is also getting a hybrid powertrain that will, along with Honda's traditional qualities, keep the Pilot at the top of the segment.